Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. Following on from my recent Born Pretty Halloween stamping plates that I recently purchased, in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Halloween S001 and S002. As always, you can find information on where I purchased them from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my scraper and my Nail Artisan Tiffany Duo Clear Stamper. I have 5 coloured nail tips that I'll be swatching onto, and I'm going to be taking 2 to 3 swatches from each plate. I'm going to start with Halloween S001, and for the first swatch I have a white nail tip and a corally red stamping polish. When swatching this design, I really couldn't make up my mind what colours I thought would make this design look its best. However though, it is a stunning image though, and I love it. For the next swatch I'm going to use a grey nail tip along with a black stamping polish. Now I've used this image in one of my October mani a day for Halloween. It makes a great graveyard mani. I think this image would be very popular when creating manis like this, and I've started to notice a lot of Halloween manis are coming onto social media now. Moving on to Halloween S002, I'm going to be using a green nail tip along with a white stamping polish. Again, this image would make a great graveyard or creepy night scene mani. You could even add in a bat at the top or a moon. It would look great over a dark bluey grey ombre. Brilliant design though. For the next swatch I'm going to use a yellow nail tip along with a red stamping polish. Now my first try on this was a fail. I used a red that dried way too quickly. As I removed the excess, I didn't want it all transferring. So I changed polishes and I went for a slower drying polish that time, and it worked really well and the image looks great. For the next swatch I'll be using a blue nail tip along with 2 stamping polishes, a pearl white and a dark blue. I'm taking 2 designs to create one image. With this design you could either use the empty circle like I am doing or the full circle. Both would work really well. I'll then go in with the dark blue for the witch and place her in the middle. You could even do this with the bats as well. It really makes a brilliant image. You could even place this above the top of the tree on the green swatch I did. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I created from Born Pretty Halloween stamping plates. Halloween S001 only has a few images, but they are brilliant and you could very easily chop them about. For example, the image with the Halloween sign above the trees, you could very easily remove either the trees or the Halloween and the webs, and that would create 2 different images from one design. You could also do this with the Halloween pumpkins by removing the bats and crosses. It just makes the images a little different. For the swatches I just used my Tiffany Duo Clear Stamper and I love the swatches. It was such an easy plate to work with. I've already used it quite a few times for designs for my manis for my mani a day for October. For me this is a classic Halloween plate, and even though it's small and only has a few designs, it does have quite a bit to offer. For the mani I've combined both plates to create one, so let's move on to the second plate and I'll show the mani at the end of the video. Halloween S002 is just full of amazing small designs, from the witch and the cauldron to the bats and cats and the trees and the owls. This plate is small but it has a lot to offer as well. I've taken 14 swatches. Some of them I've put 2 images on one pop stick, I did try to use my Born Pretty small clear stamper, but I couldn't get a very good pickup, so I just stuck with the Tiffany Duo. I have so many ideas from S002 and I'm excited to use it more through the month of October. Both S001 and S002 work so well together, but they would also work well with any of the other new Halloween Born Pretty plates. Now, the picture of the stamping plate, you will notice that there is some sort of cloudiness on the bottom left hand corner. This is just glue residue and it's very easy to remove with acetone. I haven't seen this on a plate for a while, so I was quite surprised to see it. I really enjoyed working with both of these Halloween plates. I paid 99p for each of these plates, so they are amazingly purse friendly. They will definitely be well used for this Halloween season and next and beyond. I'm excited to see what else I can create. So for the mani design, I decided to use nail tips just to give you an idea of what these two plates can create. I've used a light blue gel polish and then I've used a pearl white stamping polish and a dark blue stamping polish. The small circular designs, I've added some bats around them just to give them nails a little bit more detail. But I really like how this came together. When I started, I wasn't quite sure what I was actually going to do, but I really do like it. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I have used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Born Pretty Halloween stamping plates. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at ghoulish. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.